My name is Bela Suresh Roongta, and I am the 12th Pfister narrator. My pathway to art was through my own need to tell my own story, find my own story, and then I realized in doing that I was telling the story of other people. I've always really found it super important to listen to people and give them a voice, especially people who maybe didn't think that they had an important story to tell or a story of value. I am known for my chai in my own circle of Indian friends, which is quite something because they all make chai, but mine is the best. I'm going to make homemade chai in the Pfister's kitchen, and then we're going to offer it in the lobby and invite guests to taste it and hopefully sit down with me and share their stories with me. Of the guests that are coming through and all of the people that come through here, they don't really realize they have a story to tell. It's the Pfister saying, we welcome new stories. We welcome new ideas. We want to embrace new people that haven't necessarily had a voice. And we want our guests to experience that. And we want them to do it here in Milwaukee, in the middle of America.